Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. How are you guys? I hope all of you are in a very good of health. So Alhamdulillah, today will be our second lesson for English subject doing this Pdpr. So, are you ready guys? Are you ready? Should we go now? Should we do it now? Okay, so today, what are we going to do? Today we are going to do some revision about adjectives. Okay, still remember what adjective is? I believe some of you still remember what adjective is. But some of you, I'm pretty sure, already forgot what adjective is. But it's okay guys, it's okay. As long as you can still remember my name. Okay, as long as you can still remember my name, so it's okay, I will forgive you. Okay, so for those who couldn't remember, dah tak ingat dah apa tu adjective, don't worry, today we are going to do some revision. Okay, so here I have prepared some slides about adjectives. Now, what is adjective? Okay, what is adjective? Adjective, it gives more information or describes about a noun or pronoun. It gives. What is gives? Memberi more information, memberi maklumat yang lebih. Or describes. What is describes? Describes. What is describes? Describes. Terangkan. Okay, terangkan. Oh wow, such a beautiful handwriting here. Cantik kan tulisan? Okay, terangkan. Okay. So, adjective, it gives more information or describes about a noun or pronoun. Now, what is noun? Aduh, apa pula noun? Apa pula? And then we have pronoun pula. Aduh, tadi satu masalah noun and then ni dua pula. Tak tahu. Okay, so now, don't worry. And like I said before, if you couldn't remember or dah tak ingat dah, it's okay. We are just going to do it again. Okay, it's not a big deal. So, noun. Okay, I'll give you some hints. Nouns, we have person, we have place, we have animal, and we have thing. So nouns here, for example, person. Person, Mr. Sharif, teacher, father, mother, okay, policeman, doctor, okay, all of that are nouns. And then for place, we have school, we have SK Tenggaruan, we have Johor, we have Mersing, okay. And then next one is for animal. Animal, what kind of animal? We have cat, we have dog, we have bear, tiger, lion. And then last one is thing. Handphone, bottle, shirt, watch. Okay, all of that are nouns. And then next one, pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun, we have 7 pronouns here. We have I, we have you, we have he, we have she, we have we have they, and we have it. Okay, so there are 7 pronouns. So here, adjective, it gives more information or describes about a noun or pronoun. Or to put in a simpler way, adjective in Malay, we call it as kata sifat. Okay, ianya memberikan sifat, menerangkan tentang noun. What is noun? Kata nama. Or pronoun, kata ganti nama. So now we move on to the second slide. Okay, adjective describing nouns. Now, so remember describing, right? Describing, menerangkan. So now we are going to see how adjectives describing nouns. So now here we have nouns for person. And then we have place, we have animal, and we have thing. So now these are the adjectives. Okay, these are the adjectives for person. Okay, we take one example. For example, Zaidi. Okay, Zaidi. When we see Zaidi, what are the adjectives that we can describe Zaidi? The first one, for example, tall. Zaidi is a tall boy. Or Zaidi is a short. Okay, tall. What is tall? Okay, tall, and then we have short. And then next one, okay, when we see, for example, we see Ruzia. Okay, we see Ruzia, and then what we can say to describe Ruzia? Ruzia is a kind girl. What is kind? Baik. Okay, Ruzia is a kind girl. Or for example, Ruzia is a bad. What is bad? Okay, good, jahat. Okay, and then we have handsome, and then we have beautiful. Okay, that are adjectives for person. Next one is Adjectives describing place. We take one example. School. Okay, school. SK Tenggara 1 is a beautiful. Okay, beautiful. When we see Tenggara 1, okay, we know it's a beautiful place. A clean place. Or a big place. And then we have popular. Popular. Stadium Lakin is the most popular in Malaysia. Okay, so it describes about the stadium. Now next one, about adjectives for animal. Okay, just now, for example, we take a dog for example. Okay, a dog is a fierce. What is fierce? Yes, garang. Or a dog is a cute animal. And then we have strong. What is strong? Kuat. And then last one is small. Now, next one, we are moving on to thing. Adjectives describing thing. Expensive. For example, the book. The book is so expensive. Or maybe colorful. Okay, colorful. And last one is heavy. The table is so heavy. So all of these are the adjectives describing nouns. There are so many adjectives. Okay, benarnya mudah. When you see something, okay, when you see a person, okay, you look at the person and then you describe about the person. Okay, bila nampak seseorang, awak terangkan sesuatu pasal seseorang tu, that is adjective. Okay, so next slide. Now, okay, now these are adjectives describing pronouns. Okay, it's just the same thing with adjective describing nouns. Sama je. Okay, for example, I here. Okay, adjectives there, handsome. I am handsome and clever. What is clever? Bijak. Okay, and then you. What is you? You is a beautiful girl. And then he or she is so happy. Okay, happy. Happy also is an adjective. Happy. Sad. She is so sad. And then we have it. Okay, it is a cute hamster. And then we are so tired of doing the homework. We are tired. Penat. And then last one is they are so hardworking. Okay, the doctors and the nurse are hardworking. Okay, hardworking. Bekerja keras. Now, next one. Okay, now, next one, we are going to look some example. Okay, so now, okay, when you are looking at this picture, okay, when you are looking at this picture, the picture of 5 handsome gentlemen here. Okay, okay, so what are the nouns that you can see in the picture? The first one is school. Okay, still remember your school is? Okay, this is your school. Okay, the first noun in this picture is school. Next one is the car over there. Okay, the grey car. And then the next noun that we can see in this picture is the bicycle. Okay, there are 3 bicycles there. Okay, and then we have the last nouns there. Mr. Razif. Still remember? Ingat lagi kan nama cikgu? Jangan tak ingat. Okay, so now all of these are example of nouns that you can see from this picture. Okay, so from all of these nouns, you can describe, you can give adjectives. Okay, for example, for the school here is a big school, a clean school, a beautiful school. Okay, and then for the car, okay, what can you say about the car? The color of the car is a grey car. Okay, it's a good car, or maybe it's a fast car. Okay, ini adalah kereta yang laju. Next one is for the bicycle. The bicycle. Cikgu Faiz's bicycle. What can we say? What can we describe about the bicycle? The first one is an expensive bicycle. Expensive, mahal. If I'm not mistaken, harganya berjuta-juta tu basikal Cikgu Faiz ni. Okay, bicycle, expensive. Heavy bicycle. It's not a heavy bicycle. It's a light bicycle. Sangat-sangat ringan. Okay, it's a light bicycle. And then last one, Mr. Razif or Cikgu Razif. Okay, when we see Cikgu Razif, what can we describe about Cikgu Razif? Okay, we can say A handsome teacher. What else? A strong teacher. A muscular. What is muscular? Berotot. Okay, that are adjectives. Okay, now next one. We move on to the next slide. So now, I believe you will at least have some idea about what adjective is. Now, in order for me to check whether you understand or not, okay, I'm going to assign you a task. Now, for your task today, untuk tugasan kamu hari ni, you are going to choose two nouns, one for person and one for object, and then give 6 adjectives for each nouns. Okay, you are going to choose two nouns, which is one for person and one for object, and give 6 adjectives for each nouns. Okay, so I'm going to show you some examples for you to understand what you are going to do. So now, as for me, I chose Mr. Amin for my noun for person, and then I'm going to describe about Mr. Amin. Okay, when I'm looking at Mr. Amin, what are the adjectives that I can say to describe Mr. Amin? Okay, the first one is tall, handsome, clever, strong, funny, and kind. So, these 6 adjectives describe about Mr. Amin. Now, next noun for object is smartphone. Okay, here I choose smartphone, and then I need to talk at least 6 adjectives about smartphone. The first one is small, and then light, blue, thin, and expensive. So as you can see here, I have chose two nouns. One for person, which is Mr. Amin, and then I have given 6 adjectives for Mr. Amin, and then next I have chose smartphone as a noun for object, and I have give adjectives for the smartphone. So, you understand what you are going to do? Okay guys, if you do not understand or if you have any problems, just let me know. Okay, kalau tak tahu, tanya je, WhatsApp je saya. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, adios, bye-bye.